If you've got some Galaxy Buds Pro that look like this, and you find that when you put the buds in the charging case, you might see that one of them is still connected and the battery's going flat even though it's in the case and charging. So it can fully charge, be in the case, but they can also go flat and remain connected to the phone. So what we need to do, what it actually is that causes it, when you close the lid here, there's a magnet at the front and two little magnets either side at the back, which tell these buds when the lid is closed on them, and that's when it should disconnect. But the problem is the little magnet in the back here, it kind of becomes dislodged and it doesn't kind of send the signal. I assume there's like a reed switch in here somewhere, and it doesn't send the signal to one of the buds that it's in the case. So I'm going to show you how to fix that, and what we have to do is peel back this lid. So around the outside here you need to get a screwdriver in here and peel back the lid. So I'm going to try and show you how to do that now. Right, so get your screwdriver, put it in the slot between the lid and the top case, and very gently peel back. Now inside here, in these two little notches in here, this is actually stuck to the top of the lid. So get your screwdriver in there, work it around, and very gently pull this piece of plastic here away from the top lid. Okay, so when you've pulled away this part here from the top lid, so you can see there's the first magnet there that tells it when the case is closed. You can just about see here, sorry about the lighting, you can just about see here where the little stickers are on the other side of these notches, and at the back there, let me see if I can zoom in. Now I've put a bit of material over the magnet here. My magnet, the one on the left here, was the one that was loose, but you can see the other magnet for the right there. Can you see that? Let me try and get in closer. If you see that magnet there, it's basically these two magnets at the back there. One of them will probably be loose, and what I did on the one on the left here is I glued it with a bit of super glue, and then also put this bit of tissue over the top just to kind of hold it in there a little bit. But that's the problem. So you'll find when you open up your lid, one of these magnets, or maybe even both of them, will be loose and not seated in there properly. So all you have to do, get a bit of glue in there or something, a bit of tape, stick it back down, and hopefully that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.